this chain, the links are blinking, and that's never a good sign. And I see rust there. So time to give it a good lube. Is that difficult? Nah, not at all. First I'm gonna mark one link, then give it a good shake, and now first I think all the way around. Where is my link? Link. Yep. There. And wait a minute, there too. Okay. There too. And then never ever do this with an engine on, running in gear. Cost you your fingers. So here it's different. Yes. So I'm so glad I have a shaft drive. Kadam. If you're on holiday, riding 700 kilometers a day, end of the day, spraying your chain. End of the day I want to sit on the terrace with a cold beer. That sounds much better. Yeah. We got it off the stand on its side, as the manual say, and now we're gonna adjust the slack of the chain. Is that easy? Yeah. What do we need? We need an Allen socket of 8, so you can unscrew the clamp bolt on both sides. Okay, loose. Then we need 2 Allen sockets of 12, so we can rotate the rear axle. And because I don't have 2 of exactly the same 12 sockets, I use this one. This is an Allen thing, and a 12mm socket. Up, easy. So one goes in here, yes, and one goes in here. And now, of course, we need the manual. I got it on my tablet. Okay, the bike needs to be on its side stand. Check. And then in the middle of the chain, and it needs to be at 20 to 30 millimeters. So let's do that. It's quite easy actually. So right now we're gonna first measure the play at this moment, and the play is this is about halfway. It is now between even kijken 3 and 6.5 centimeters, so it needs to be a little tighter. That's so easy with this adjustment. You just rotate those chain tensioner things on both sides at the same time. It's now just past 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 notches. On the other side, yes, also. Okay, carefully gonna rotate it. See, it's already moving. Yes. Now let's see. Over there. Holy shit. Already too tight. We put it now on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. Both sides. Now let's see. Up, up, up. This is there. This is somewhere in the middle. Even kijken. Now it's at, yes, 3.5, 6.5. It's now at 3. Could be a tiny little. So we go into, okay, and we're gonna do it a tiny bit. Barely can see it. And now we're gonna have a look again. There and there. Even kijken, 6. Yeah, it's okay. It's at 3, which is good. I personally like the chain tension just a tiny bit on the loose side and never on the tight side. When it's on the tight side, it can ruin the ball bearings of the front sprocket. Not good. But this is good now. So, how easy was that? Now we're gonna torque the clamp bolts. Yep, here we got it. Torque chain adjuster clamp bolts. 64 Newton meters. 64. Here we got my torque wrench. And this was the Allen socket of 8. First I'm going to screw it in by hand. Okay. Now. Yes. Check 1. Okay. Always screw it back till this free play, and then a tiny bit, then it's alright. Now, got my crayon torqued, and this side also torqued. Now, so guys, that was my video about getting the rear wheel out, getting the rear wheel back in with a new tire, adjusting the chain slack, lubricating the chain, which was really needed for this bike. Whoa. Yeah, and I hope you liked it. And if you do, please consider a subscription to my channel. I really would appreciate that. For now, old mechanic.